Hi friends, we have a nice problem. A shopkeeper have two items A and B. He sold both items at same rate 2100 and 2100. In first item he gets 20% profit and in item B he gets 20% loss. We have to find out net loss or profit. Okay, so let's start. Original value of A is equal to 2100 as his selling price divided by, this will be 120% because here 20% is profit, right? So 2100 divided by 120% can be written as this, right? So 2100, if we change sign into multiplication, we get 100 over 120, right? So 1750. This will be the original price of item A, right? So he is getting 20% profit and selling it as 2100, right? Now we will get the value of original value of B, right? Here he is getting loss. So what will be the original value of item B? 2100 divided by 80%, right? Because he is getting loss. So this will be 2100 divided by 80 over 100, right? Now 2100 into 100 over 80. This value will be 2625, right? So he is getting loss when he sell 2100, right? Original value of A is this, original value of B is this, right? So sold value of A and B will be equal to 2100 multiplied by 2, right? This will be 4200, right? Here original value this plus this, right? And sold value is this. So after all he is getting loss. Loss will be 1750 plus 2625, original value of A and original value of B, minus sold value of A plus B 4200, right? This will be 175, right? So loss will be 175. So salesman or shopkeeper gets loss of 175. Okay, dollar or rupees, you can say whatever you like. Okay, thank you.